Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Izolo sikhulume ngepost ebebhalwe i-ANC lapho ebeyithi yamukela ama-members aphuma kumkhonto wesizwe party awu-300 okubalwa naku-Aubrey Mthweni o-spokesperson we-MKP eMpumalanga. Ngase ngithi ngizamile ukubheka ama-post ngangawathola namavideo futhi angiwabonanga. Omunye kumngani wami wangithumelela ivideo ku-WhatsApp. Ngicabanga kodwa ukuthi ngathi ngiyamazi umuntu o-behind yonke lento eyenzakalayo. Angifuni ukusho kodwa ngifuna ukukunikeza izinto ezenza ngicabange kanjalo. You can connect the dots. Futhi ke ungangiphikisa, unelungelo lokungiphikisa ukuthi ngenze kuba yimi obone kabi. Ey'nsukwini eziwu-5 ezedlule kuvele le post le. Post ibhalwe umama uMary Phadi ku-Facebook page yakhe. Ifundeka kanje: "Out of all the lawyers in the country, I will never make a mistake of choosing him to represent my case. Keep this post. It is easy for me to overturn my fraudulent judgment against me, but I am protecting MKP to win the local government elections. I have a good heart, shame. I'm not bad. Mina phela bengingaketuli ibhodo nesishebo. Let me drink my cup of tea. See you." Uzokhumbula ukuthi i-MKP eMpumalanga kuyahlukana kabili. Kwakhona icamp kaMary Phadi, kwase kuba khona icamp ka-Advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Kuhle mawusakukhumbula lokho. Thema kuphuma iposta ye-ANC, u-Advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane wakhipha iletha la bekathi khona i-MK Party ayikaze yaba naye u-spokesperson eMpumalanga. Khona lapho uMary Phadi naye wathatha lelo thuba lokuthi alungise. Yena wabhala kanje: "Skip ama-files. Comrade Aubrey Mthweni was running communications and media liaison as the spokesperson of Mpumalanga province. Ithi ngishaye ne-ANC. They were supposed to say he is coming back. Comrade Aubrey worked tirelessly, a great leader who has a content. May God Almighty be with you." Isekhipha le letter le ukuprova lento ayisho. Le letter yakhe ishwa ngomhla ka-5 kuJune 2024. Isihloko sakhona sithi Office of the Coordinator, Appointment to a Position of a Spokesperson. Dear Comrade Aubrey Mthweni, this letter serves to inform you that you are appointed as a spokesperson. The appointment is effective from today. You are requested to use the powers that accompany this position with high responsibility and care. Do not abuse them, but use them and exercise in assisting MK Party to stabilize and prepare for the 2026 local government elections. We look forward to a constructive collaboration with you. Regards, Comrade Denhlapo, Provincial Coordinator, uconvener kwakuseso Mary Phadi, wabhala-ke imininingwane yabo lapha ngezansi. Phinde waya ku-Google wasikhiphela i-communication yakhe lena kwakuyi-podcast, angazi ukuthi ayiphi radio station, njengoba ibhale R160 Aubrey Mthweni MKP spokesperson clarifies ukuthi kwakukhulunywa ngani lapho. Then ngaphansi ipost ye-Sunday World eshoyo ukuthi Aubrey Mthweni MK Party uzokhuluma Aubrey Mthweni MK Party Jacob Zuma led party strong in Mpumalanga elections 2024. Uzama ukuprova njalo Mary Phadi ukuthi ubeka u-spokesperson Aubrey Mthweni njengoba ekhipha iletha. Manje usekhipha i-podcast iyavela njengoba ubona lapha kubhalwe phezulu Icon FM i-podcast le Icon noma yini IONO ufundeka AFM i-podcast le. Then la ngaphansi ipost ye-Sunday World iyayikhuluma ngo-Aubrey Mthweni okuyena wayikhulumela i-MK Party eMpumalanga. Ayikho into ebaluleke njengama-date ikakhulukazi kule topic esikhuluma ngayo. Uzokhumbula ukuthi uMary Phadi uthe ukhipha ama-files wasesikhiphela neletha eyayi-appointa uComrade Aubrey Mthweni. Letter yange-5 zikaJuni 2024. khumbula ukuthi ama-elections ayengomhla ka-29 kuMeyi. So i-MK Party yenza kahle. Kwase kufuneka ukuthi akwenziwe izinto okushesha. Kube khona umuntu ozo-appoint ukuze izimpilo iqhubeke. I-office lakhe kuMary Phato ngaleso sikhathi wayesesoconvener waseMpumalanga. La appointa ucomrade lo u-Aubrey Mthweni. Kuthe makufika uFloyd ku-MK Party. Base i-MK Party iba ne-constitution. Emveni kwalapho yayisiba nama-detachments officially. Yayisiba nama-detachments a-official amenyezelwa sawenza ama-video kwaba ne-press briefing besho ukuthi endaweni ethize ila sabikelwa khona ukuthi i-Youth League ye-MK Party izohamba kanjani. Ukuphuma kukaBonkosi Khanyile ku-Youth League wakhishwa ngenxa yeminyaka ngoba according to i-MK noma ngingasakhumbuli kahle kodwa from 30 years awusabalwa as i-youth. Ubheka ke statement esikhishwe u-Advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane sithi like number 2, the current provincial detachment which was appointed by national officials on the 16th of January 2025 is led by provincial chairperson Comrade Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane, who was appointed by Comrade Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma on the 25th of October 2024. The leadership wishes to categorically state that MKP Mpumalanga province has never had a provincial spokesperson at any stage. The only official recognized communication role is that of the head of communications, currently held by Comrade Thuthukani Nkosi. Ngakho ngithe ama-data abalulekile. U-Advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane uyasivezela ukuthi i-detachment eyabekwa i-MK Party ibekwa in ama-national officials okuyi-National High Command ye-MK Party ngey-16 zikaJanuwari. Iposition yomuntu okuthiwa uspokesperson we-MK Party eMpumalanga ebengekho. Okwesibili, uyena ufike u-appointwe ngo-October. Ufike ngo-October, thingisho njalo, ufike ngo-October wa-appointwa. Le position le akayazi. Yingakho ngithi uma sekuhlelwa ama-detachment officially esefikile uFloyd kwaba khona i-constitution kwase kwenziwa ama-detachment, le poster ayizange bebikho. So angeke umsole umama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane mayithi asikaze saba nayo le post ngoba ngesikhathi ikhona le post wayengekho. Uma sekufike yena MK Party eMpumalanga ayisihlukene kabili. U-Aubrey Mthweni ngiyasola ngoba nginasiqiniseko wayesekuyi-camp kaMary Phato. Yingakho bekangamazi ukuthi wakwaba nayiphi position ngoba MK Party ayisihlukene kabili. Iyona ke video le yama-member e-MK Party abesebuyela ku-ANC nala ku-screen sakho yawabona. Khona ngithe mangiwabheka wafikile ku-300 mhlawumbe amanye abengaphandle noma angifuni ukuthi ngithi ama-comrade e-ANC exaggerateile mayithi 300 fanelanga ngibaphikise. Kungenzeka na ukuba lama-member we-MK Party abuyela ku-ANC yilaba lawa bewakwi-camp kaMary Phato? Kungenzeka na? Angisho ukuthi kunjalo kodwa ngibuza wena ukuthi cha asike sihlanganise u1 no1 mina nawe sibone ukuthi ngeke asinikeze u2 na noma uzosinika u1. 5 days ago uMary Phato ubhalele yapost ebesifunda wathi yena ukuthi unenhliziyo enhle kodwa angaketula ibhodela esishebe bheke phansi yonke into. 5 days ago kusuka lapho sekuvela ipost uthi kunama members asebuyela ku-ANC. I-coincidence or vele useqalile uketula ibhodo? And uma i-MK Party zama uclarify something uyavela yena. Zingaki izinto ezenzeke ezweni? Ngabe khona abantu abafikile lana abangama refugees nazo akakhomenti kuzo zonke lezo zinto.
uzokhomenta kule ngoba efuna ukudiscredita u-Advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Kungenzeka na ukuthi la ma-members e-MK Party okukhulunywa ngawo okuthiwa awu-300 abuyela ku-ANC yilawa abekwikhempu kaMary Pardey na? Angisho mthi kunjalo, ngibuza wena. Ngelekelela ngiyazi ukuthi la kunabantu abahlakanipha ukwedlula mina. Ngelekelela-ke la ku-comment section ukuthi kungenzeka na. Yingakho ngithe mangiqala ngathi ngiyasola ukuthi umuntu behind yonke lento le ngiyamazi. Ngisho njalo mangiqala. Kodwa-ke ngifisa ukuthi-ke sixoxe mina nawe. Liyana-ke nezulu la. Ngicela ukuyibamba le video noma bengisafisa khona ukuqhubeka ngikucaphunele namanye amavideo, kodwa-ke isimo siyala ukuthi ngiqhubeke. Engikujabulelayo nengikuthandayo ukuthi yonke into ngizamile ukuyikhava. Ngicela ukuze umbono wakho la comment section. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ucomment, ulike, ushare. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ungasupporta kusidonatela noma ngamalini khona account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember yale channel. Join membership yale channel. Qala ku-R40 ngenyanga. Mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.